Hi, my name is Oscar Tøgersen and I work as the Azure lead for the ATIA group. Additionally, I work as a multi-cloud sales lead in ATIA Norway. The cloud environment today is interesting. We got feedback from customers asking for everything around cloud broking, cloud management, what kind of SaaS solution can we use here, what about private cloud, hybrid cloud, and how can you ATIA advise us around this? How can you advise us how we should utilize cloud solution in a clear and efficient way? ATIA's response to that is built around our strategy. Our strategy is divided within the areas of information management, digital workspace, and hybrid platforms. Within that, we take a role as either a reseller, an integrator, or we can help you as a managed service provider. And let's look into that when it comes to ATIA and how ATIA work with public clouds. We got feedback from customers that we want to purchase and utilize cloud solutions through a partner that can offer us that through a platform with a single interface, whether we want to use a SaaS solution, for example Office 365, or we want to consume cloud computing resources, for example Microsoft Azure. In ATIA those services you can do that. And you can do that and at the same time getting one invoice for all the SaaS application and public cloud solutions that you want. And you can get one place to get reporting, see who orders stuff on behalf of you, and also see who uses these resources. So everything in one place. Additionally, you can take this portal and utilize it also for distributing your own applications, either internally to different parts of your company or externally to your customers. Two main reasons for customers using cloud solutions. One is enhancing their own IT operations and making them more efficient, and cutting down on costs, on-prem footprint and so on. And then we see the other part is a digital enterprise motion. Customers want to earn money on their data. They want to create a solution where they utilize their knowledge and sell that solution to other customers. And now we come up on the integration part. And the integration part primarily comes out of the demand for advisory our customers have. How do we integrate? How do we set up cloud solutions? How do we administer cloud solutions? How do we configure cloud solution? And what is the best way to do it? What is ATIA's advice about how to do it? ATIA Cloud Track is a standardized delivery model to make sure that our customers get the same experience every time. ATIA Cloud Track is built around a cloud maturity model. It starts in 1 and go to 5, and you can go to Gartner or IDC or all the other research companies, and they all state this. On level 1, no cloud, no plan, don't want to use it. On level 5, cloud native. And the question is, how does ATIA help our customers increase their cloud maturity? Taking them from level 1 to level 2 to level 3 to level 4, and if you want, to level 5. We do that by delivering journeys. A journey could be a governance journey. It takes you through the whole governance process from I don't have nothing to a fully blown governance of a cloud adoption. A journey consists of pathways, meaning several steps that you have to go through in order to reach your goal. Additionally, we fill that pathways with certain steps, which is actually what the consultants does with it, to make sure that you get the same experience every time. Today, we have journeys ready for governance, cost control, security, cloud foundation, cloud migration, and also ATIA digital platform, which is basically our information management offering. Everything is falling together in the ATIA Cloud Track when it comes to ATIA's ability to deliver. And we train consultants on it from Oslo to Helsinki to Copenhagen to Riga, not to forget Stockholm, and all the other 87 offices in ATIA group. That was ATIA Cloud Track and how we have built a standardized delivery model for our consultants. And then we got the question, how do you scale this? How do you make sure that you do competency transformation across ATIA? We do that with ATIA Cloud Academy. ATIA Cloud Academy is a program that we have built to help sales and consultants to transfer the knowledge towards knowledge about the public cloud. And we have divided it into different levels, everything from Cloud Warrior to Cloud Grandmaster. Funny names, but it was selected by the consultants. On the sales side, we do ATIA Cloud Warrior, putting sales in a position to talk about our story overall, and making sure that they understand the maturity model and find the triggers that they need to do to make sure that we get a position and are able to take the position we need as an advisor for our customers. For the consultants on the other side, we do the training in 3 parts. First of all, of course, we have the formal competency from our vendors, for example, from Microsoft. You need to have formal competency, formal certification in place. On the internal ATIA side, we do training on 2 levels. We do training in ATIA Cloud Track, meaning that the Cloud Track journeys that we create, we certify our consultants in their delivery capabilities. For the consultant that has taken the necessary steps, we do boot camps. 2 to 4 days boot camps, where they are able to log off from the day-to-day work and spend 8, 9, 10, 12 hours together with consultants each day and discuss real-life scenarios. By doing that, we make sure that they not only get the technical standardized knowledge, but that they get to train on real-life customer scenarios, and that they get to discuss those real-life customer scenarios with colleagues from all the other countries with different angles, different background, different views. And when those meanings melt together, we create tremendous value for our customers. So far this year, over 150 consultants has been through boot camps, ranging from 2 to 4 days, focusing on security, Azure infrastructure management, and data and AI. With that meaning, we have a lot of highly competent colleagues that now forms communities and communicate across borders to help our customers with solutions. And we're not stopping there. We are doubling down on the TIA Cloud Academy, and we are expanding the number of practices, we are expanding the number of boot camps, and we are expanding the amount of online training available for our consultants and our salespeople to make sure that we makes it possible to evolve the cloud capabilities of each and everyone in the company, whether you're in sales or you're a consultant, so we together can meet the future. Lastly, what our customers ask us for, and the last role that TIA takes in our strategy, is as a managed service provider. Meaning that our customers want help to manage and operate and monitor their environment, if it's on-prem or if it's in the cloud. And the TIA comes from a strong background in infrastructure hosting, being one of the leading hosting providers in the Nordics. And now we are transforming that part of ATIA into being modern cloud service provider, making sure that our customers will get the same good experience as they have gotten before when they have done private hosting of their environment, when we do help our customers with procuring cloud solution and utilizing cloud solutions in a clear and efficient way. Our managed services offering ranges from full outsourcing or full operations to what we call microservices. For example, you can get Azure Security Center as a service. You can get Microsoft Power BI as a service. And as well as you can get total operations, so you can lean on ATIA for doing everything. And we do that 24/7, 365 days of the year, and we can do it in local language. ATIA can also act as a single point of contact towards the cloud providers, making sure that you get the correct escalation and correct treatment of support tickets. Making sure that your support tickets are handled the way they should be and escalated in the correct manner towards the vendors. So that was the parts and the roles that TIA takes in the strategy. As I started out with, we divide our strategy into practices around information management, digital workplace, and hybrid platforms. Within that, ATIA is going to take a role as a reseller with ATIA Cloud Portal. We does that. Remember that one? One invoice, single point to procure cloud services, SaaS solutions, whether it's Microsoft Azure, Office 365, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, IBM, and so on. That's the reseller part. One invoice. And then we have the integration part, ATIA Cloud Track. A standardized delivery model helping our consultants to deliver a streamlined experience for a customer, whether it's a customer in Kirkenes, in Kiruna, in Copenhagen, in Malmö, or in Riga. And lastly, we have our managed service offering, making sure that our customers get the help they need if they want to have ATIA to run their infrastructure, or help them just monitor something, or just want a specific little service, for example, around their security center in Azure, that we can help them monitor it. We can do the whole spectrum in managed services. And then in the end, how do we put this together? And how do we help Atea doing the competency transformation that we need to do, pushing ourselves into the new area? That's built around Atea Cloud Academy, which is the competency development program for cloud transformation in Atea. Thank you for watching this video. And thank you for being a part of the transformation we are doing in Atea now to position ourselves as the cloud partner of the future for our customers. Please share everything with your colleagues. Please share the story with your customers. And if you have any questions, comments or feedback, please reach me on Teams.